I'm in Lidl, one of the supermarket chains here in the UK. This one's German, and I thought I would take a quick look. I referenced this in a past video, but it's the first time I've actually been in this store. And since I was doing some shopping, I figured I'd go to a place I hadn't been before. And we are now in the middle of Lidl. And Lidl is known for, in the middle of their stores, having special deals. Things that are here for a short time only, like all the orange signs are for stuff that's here for a limited time. Sometimes it's food, sometimes it's household items, sometimes it's just odds and sods. But Lidl is known for things like this. And then of course, they do carry some bulk items. They have a freezer section, and even the frozen stuff has limited offers. It all depends on what they get. But you know, that's the thing. You come to the different chains in the UK, and Lidl is actually very popular. You'll see all kinds of different things. This is the biscuits aisle. It's obviously not that small, and you might see brands in here that you wouldn't see elsewhere. That's not so unusual. I'm going fast, but not too fast, I hope. And there you go. A little bit of the prices of milk. 2.2 litres of Scottish whole milk is £1.45. And then you get into the other beverages. And I'm not going to go all the way down the aisles, but I do like this. Big on Scottish and always little on price. I much prefer that. Well, there's not much more I want to show in here. It's a supermarket. So I'll see you in the next one.